Okay, so today we have a 2016 Mercedes C300 with a 2.0 turbo, and looks like he's having a bad day. What does that look like? That doesn't look like antifreeze to me. This looks like, ooh, real bad. So, the culprit of this situation seems to be the gasket to the oil cooler, and which is located on the passenger side of the block, which is right there. Doesn't look too hard to replace, so we are going to replace it. We're going to start off by draining off the coolant, and we're going to start by draining out the coolant. Let's go. All right, so we have the coolers out, and it looks like the seal was compromised, and that's where it was leaking the coolant into the oil, or vice versa. Either way, it was turning into milkshake. That's all we really need to know. So we are going to replace this seal and the complete cooler. We're going to replace the whole cooler with the seal, and we're gonna go ahead and clean this whole thing up. But yeah, this is pretty much flattened out and cooked. Yeah. So yeah, here on this big square right here, on this one, is where it was jumping from here into here. There's just coolant, and there's oil dripping out of there, as you can see. Oil's supposed to be in here, and it's pretty clean. But yeah, let's see that. Look, yeah, right there was where the problem was. So let's get this cleaned up. New seal. All right, so the old one is out, and the new one is in, and now we just have to flush it. You could tell that's where the problem was. So we just have to. There goes the new one. She's in there, and I'm just gonna disconnect the lower radiator hose so we can flush out the radiator, because the oil is mixing in here. So we're gonna get all these hoses flushed out and the reservoir flushed out, because the reservoir is completely disgusting. Okay, so we have the oil filter out, we have the seals, and we have the cartridge. So whenever you replace these cartridges, you're supposed to replace all these seals. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. New filters in, and all the seals have been replaced. There goes your old one. Goes your old cartridge. She's all cleaned up. Let's get her installed. And there you have it. The filter's in with the new cartridge, new seals, new everything. All right, so we got the water hose in there, and yes, there's a lot of shit coming out of here. Now it's kind of clean now, but as you can see down there and in here, there was a bunch of shit. Oh, not in here. In here, there's a bunch of shit coming out. But we're gonna get it all cleaned up. Don't worry. Okay, so she's nice and clean in there. I don't know about this shit. Yeah, it still has a little bit in it. I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get. We got this, nice and clean. This one here, nice and clean. That one, it's clean. But look at all the fucking shit that would come out. All this water with fucking oil everywhere. So yeah, that's as clean as it's gonna get. I flushed it out as best as I could. But I mean, you can leave the fucking hose in there for fucking 4 or 5 hours and still not gonna get all of it out. Technically, the best way to get it all flushed out is you would have to fucking put some kind of flushing additive inside of the coolant and let the engine get to operating temperature to where the coolant gets hot, and then it's actually, you know, detaching everything that's stuck to the walls of the hoses and everything, because yeah, you're not gonna completely get all those chunks of fucking. But it shouldn't really be that much left in there. I mean, I flushed a lot of it out, a lot. So I'd say drive it a couple days, and then perform just I like another flush, and then depending on when we flush it the second time, depending on how much chunks come out. I mean, if it's very minor, then with like 2 flushes you should be good. Other than that, I mean, you would have to keep flushing it a couple of times before you get all of it out. There you go, clean antifreeze. You know, like I said, it might have just a little couple specks in there, but not too major. Okay, so I mean, it has a couple little specks of oil, but it's not. It's just what's inside of what's coming out, what's getting burnt out of this shit and inside the lines. But other than that, I mean, it's not mixing well.